Guys, today we will have a very important lessons for you. We will be discussing some common errors in mathematics. You might be thinking that you're doing the right things in mathematics, but in fact, it's not. All right, we'll see what are these common errors. Okay, let's go to error number 1. Quantity x plus y, quantity squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. Do you think this is correct? Okay, it's wrong. Um, why? First, we are going to examine how the students arrive at this particular answer. Maybe he applied the laws of exponent. For x, we know that the exponent is 1, x raised to 1 squared, that's x squared, plus y raised to 1 squared, that's y squared. Still, it's wrong. Why? Okay. Now, when you speak of x plus y, or quantity x plus y, quantity squared, the base is x plus y, and the exponent is 2. We know that when you speak of exponent, the exponent will tell us how many times we are going to multiply the base. So this is equal to x plus y times x plus y. Now, you can apply the distributive property or the FOIL method. FOIL is first, outer, inner, last term. Now, x plus y times x plus y, or you can apply the um, vertical method. So this is equal to x squared plus xy plus y squared. Now, you have to combine the like terms. Okay? So this is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Meaning to say, quantity x plus y, quantity squared, is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, and not x squared plus y squared. Obviously, x plus y, or the quantity x plus y, quantity squared, is not equal to x squared plus y squared. That's error number 1. Just take a look at the correct examples. Quantity x squared y squared is equal to x to the fourth y to the fourth. In this case, we can apply the power rule for the loss of exponents. So x squared, so you multiply the exponents, so it will become x to the fourth. Y squared, that's y to the fourth. The operation is multiplication. And, this is composed of only one term. The base is composed of only one term. Another example, quantity x squared over y squared, quantity squared. So this x squared, so you multiply the exponents, x to the fourth, over y squared, that's y to the fourth. Okay, unlike in our error number 1, our base is composed of two terms, the x and the y, of course separated by plus or minus. So, and our exponent is 2. So, application of power rule is not allowed. Okay? So, I think that's correct. Let's go to error number 2. X over x plus y is equal to 1 over y. This is correct or not? Okay. Um, Actually, this is wrong. Okay? If we try to examine how the students arrived at this particular answer, so he canceled x. Okay? He canceled x, and that's x over x, that's 1. So, over the denominator, which is y. This is absolutely wrong. And you cannot cancel x here because your denominator is composed of two terms. It's separated by addition or subtraction. But in this case, addition, so cancellation is not permitted in this situation. Okay. Now, obviously, this is wrong. Okay. X over x plus y is not equal to 1 over y. Okay. This is correct. If we have this expression, x over x xy, so your denominator is composed of one term, you can directly apply the cancellation. So x over x cancelled, so that's the numerator is 1 and the remaining is the denominator is y. So your answer would be 1 over y. Okay, another one. If we have this one, y over xy. So you can apply the cancellation. You cancel y. Okay. So the numerator is 1 over x. Okay. So I think that's clear. Always remember that if your denominator is composed of more than one term, cancellation is not allowed. Okay. So I think that's clear. All right. Let's go to error number 3. Um, the square root of x squared plus y squared is equal to x plus y. Do you think this correct or not? It's wrong. So we'll try to examine how the students got his answer, which is x plus y. So we get the individual square root, the square root of x squared plus the square root of y squared. That's why his answer is x plus y. Okay, absolutely this is wrong. I'll give you an example. If this will be the case, if we have this, the square root of 2 squared plus the square root of 5 squared is equal to the square root of 2 squared is 2 and the square root of 5 squared is 5. So the answer is 7. This is wrong. We'll take a look at the correct answer. If we have the square root of 2 squared plus 5 squared, this is equal to the square root of 2 squared is 4 and the square root of 5 squared is 25. All we have to do is to combine 4 plus 25. That's the square root of 29, approximately 5.385. Alright, thus 7 is not equal to the square root of 29. So definitely this is wrong. Okay, this is correct. Okay, I'll give you the correct example. If we have the square root of x squared y squared, notice that the radicand is composed of one term. So you can get the individual square root. The square root of x squared times the square root of y squared, which is equal to the square root of x squared is x, the square root of y squared is y. In this case, our radicand is composed of two terms. So getting the individual square root is not allowed. Okay, so under example, the square root of x squared over y squared is equal to, we will take the individual square root of the numerator and denominator. So we have the square root of x squared for numerator over the square root of y squared for the denominator. So this is equal to the square root of x squared, x, the square root of y squared is y. I think that's clear. All right. Let's go to error number 4. Quantity negative 2 quantity squared is equal to negative 2 squared. Do you think this is correct? Okay, this is wrong. Why? First, we have quantity negative 2 squared. Take note that our base is negative 2 and our exponent is 2. And our exponent will tell us how many times we are going to multiply the base. So this is equal to negative 2 times negative 2. And the product is positive 4. While if we have negative 2 squared, it means to say that we are getting the negative of 2 squared. So this is equal to negative 2 times 2. So we have negative 4. Obviously, 4 is not equal to negative 4. Thus, quantity negative 2 squared is not equal to negative 2. Okay? That's it. Guys, if you like the lesson, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos in the future. Thank you.